Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 22 June 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So according to a recent Nielsen study, how many million Indians use the internet? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 646 million. So according to a recent study by analyst firm Nielsen has found that of 646 million internet users in India, 352 million are in rural area. So basically the technological transformation become like an octopus with arm dipping into the various sector, complementing and feeding each other. So it creates many possibilities in key development sector like health, logistics, mobility, water, farming, etc. Okay, so now move to the next question. The government recently reconstituted a 3-person panel to investigate which of the following cases. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is corruption. So the government has constituted a 3-member committee to examine the representation of employees who are snagged under Fundamental Rule and Rule 48 of the Central Civil Service, Rule 1972. The committee examined the representation of employees who are snagged under Fundamental Rule 56 and Rule 48 of the Central Civil Service, Rule 1972. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following governing bodies has considered including credit information in a proposal? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 216%. So recently it has been observed that 3 has been a threefold jump in the number of digital payment and aims to establish India as a powerhouse of payment globally. So the Payment Vision to 2025 document also talks about bringing fencing of domestic payment system, including the need of mandate domestic proceeding of the payment transaction. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which of the following general insurance company has agreed to offer motor insurance through PhonePe? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Kotak General Insurance. So the Kotak General Insurance has signed an agreement with PhonePe to offer motor insurance. Okay, so now move to the next question. The free trade agreement between India and Europe Union is expected to be completed in which of the following years? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 2023. So India and Europe Union resumed negotiation for a comprehensive free trade agreement in Brussels after a gap of nearly 9 years. Okay, so now move to the next question. In April 2022, how many billions in outwards remittance from resident India were received? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is USD 2 billion. So according to recent data, outward remittances by resident Indians crossed the USD 2 billion mark to USD 2.02 billion in April 2022. So basically almost doubling from the level of USD 1.18 billion. So RBI stated that the spending on international travel tripled in April 2022 as COVID-related curbs eased in various countries in financial year 2022. So basically, according to estimate, the spending on travel was USD 6.91 billion in financial year 2022, more than twice the spent in financial year 2021. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which company was the most valuable brand emerging out of India according to Kantar Brand's 2022 Most Valuable Global Brands Report? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Tata Consultancy Service. So recently TCS was the most valuable brand coming out of India, with which on 46th spot of the list. So the company brand value is estimated to be USD 50 billion. Kantar Brand's 2022, the author of Most Valuable Global Brands Report. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which country will remain on Financial Action Task Force's grey list of the countries under increased scrutiny? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Pakistan. So the Pakistan will continue to be on grey list of countries under increased monitoring of the Financial Action Task Force from the Global Money Laundering and Terror Financing Watchdog. Okay, so now move to the next question. Fitch Rating recently changed the outlook on 9 Indian banks' long-term issue default rating to. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is stable. So the Fitch Rating has upgraded 9 Indian-based bank long-term issuer default rating to stable from negative while uploading their IDRs. Okay, so now move to the next question. By 2025, the RBI Payment Vision 2025 aims to increase the number of digital payment transactions by more than how many times? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is threefold. So RBI in its Payment Vision 2025 seeks threefold jump in digital payment. So RBI aims to increase the number of digital payment transactions by more than 3x by 2025 and to curb the volume of check-based payment to less than 0.25% of the total retail payment. Okay.